In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Circle.so for 2025 with a comprehensive step-by-step guide. Starting off, the first thing you need to do is log into your Circle.so admin account. Once you're in, you'll have access to all the necessary tools and settings we'll be working with today. Next, navigate to the Organize Spaces section. This is crucial for setting up how your community can interact with different categories or themes you have laid out. Here, you can manage and structure your spaces to make them intuitive and easy to follow for your users. After organizing your spaces, click on Posts, Courses, Video Library, Chat to review and arrange the content types your community will engage with. This area is the heart of your Circle community, so it's important to ensure that all content is well categorized and easily accessible. To enhance the user experience, you'll also want to add topics and tags. Tags help users find specific content quickly, while topics allow them to dive deeper into areas of interest. Create a new post, type the relevant topics into the topics field, and press enter. Once that's done, click on Post to finalize it. Moving on, setting up access and paid plans is critical for monetizing your community. Navigate to the settings and choose Payments. Here, you can create different plans, assign spaces, and save your settings. Make sure that each plan is clearly defined so members know exactly what they're getting. To increase engagement, you can enable gamification. Under Settings, go to Gamification and toggle it on. Here, you can set up points, badges, and leaderboards to encourage more active participation from your members. Once everything is set, save your changes. Integrating external tools can help streamline operations and enhance functionality. Click on options like Stripe, Google Analytics, ActiveCampaign, and Zapier to seamlessly connect your Circle Hub with these useful applications. These integrations can provide invaluable insights and automate many tasks, keeping your community running smoothly. Next, optimize your branding and homepage. This involves going into the settings, selecting branding, and updating your homepage. Upload your logo, favicon, and brand colors to ensure your community space is visually appealing and consistent with your brand identity. Continuing, sorting, and filtering your content allows members to quickly find what they're looking for. By clicking on spaces, you can sort content by newest, oldest, or by topics, and apply these filters for a well-organized layout. Monitoring analytics is another essential step. Under Settings, head to Analytics/Reports